If you want to be able to make Cash App auto accept payments, then this video is going to guide you through this process. So the step one is going to be for you to link your bank account to Cash App. So if you haven't done so already, to activate automatic payment acceptance, it is very essential to ensure that a valid bank account has been successfully linked to your Cash App. This established a secure and seamless process for depositing funds into your account. So if you haven't yet actually linked your bank account to your Cash App, so make sure that you actually do so as well. If you're unsure of how to link your bank account, then you can basically just reach out to the support of Cash App and they will help you to do so, just so you know. But now when you have linked your bank account, the second step is going to be for us to activate the auto acceptance. So to initiate automatic payment acceptance, so we need to actually follow these steps right here. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. So make sure that you actually launch the Cash App on your mobile device, of course. Select the profile icon situated in the upper left hand corner of the screen. So click on your profile icon, scroll down and click on Cash. Locate the automatic deposit section and activate auto acceptance by toggling the switch. So make sure that you actually scroll down, click on Cash, and then find this one right here, automatic deposits. It might say something else for you, but something with automatic payments basically. And you have to now toggle on the switch, as you can see. Now the third step is going to be customizing payment preferences. Cash App provides a range of options for tailoring your automatic payment acceptance preferences. You have the flexibility to opt for automatic acceptance of all payments or to establish specific criteria for acceptance. To access these settings, open the Cash App, access the profile icon, scroll down and choose automatic payments, configure your preferences, which may include accepting payments from anyone or exclusively from your contacts. So basically these three steps should actually make sure that you will be able to activate auto payments or auto accepting payments on your Cash App. And if it still doesn't work, then of course once again you can reach out to Cash App support and they will actually be able to help you with this. So let me know in the comments below, maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also, I wish you the best day.